Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's class is about redemption by payment in installments of debentures. Redemption of debentures means repayment of debentures. When the debentures are to be redeemed in installments, beginning from a particular year, the actual debentures to be redeemed are selected usually by draw of lots. At the time of redemption, the following journal entry will be passed. That is, debenture account debted to debenture holders account, debenture holders account debted to bank account. And also, if the debentures are to be redeemed out of profits, there is another journal entry, that is statement of profit and loss account debted to debenture redemption reserve account. The debentures can be redeemed out of profits and also be redeemed out of capital. If the debentures are to be drawn out of profits, then this, as I said earlier, the statement of profit and loss account debted to debenture redemption reserve account is passed before writing these two journal entries. If the debentures are redeemed out of capital, then these two journal entries are sufficient. Here is the question. ABC Limited issued 3014% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% on January 1st, 2012. Interest on these debentures is payable annually on December 31st every year. The debentures are redeemable at par in 3 equal installments at the end of 3rd year, 4th and 5th year. Prepare 14% debentures account, discount on issue of debentures account and debenture interest account in the books of the company. So first of all, we will go on with the preparation of debenture account. Here the interest on debentures is 14%. So the heading will be 14% debenture account. Then we have drawn the format of account, that is date, particulars, journal folio, amount, date, particulars, journal folio and amount, debit and credit side. Then our first entry will be on the credit side, that is on receiving the application, debenture application. The date of receiving the debenture application is given the question, that is 2012 January 1st. Then debenture application. Here the application money is received at a discount. The actual value of debentures is 3 lakh, that is 3000 into 100, 3 lakh. Then it is issued at a discount of 5%. So 3 lakh into 5 by 100. 3 lakh into 5 by 100 will be 15,000. So this 15,000 is reduced from the actual value of debentures, 3 lakh. So the amount will be, remaining amount will be 2,85,000. Then this discount the date will be on the closing date of the financial year. That is, if the financial year is starting on that January 1st, the closing will be on December 31st. So 31st December. Discount on issue of debentures, that is 15,000, as we have already calculated. Then the On the debit side, 2012 December 31, balance carried out. The actual value of debentures, that is 3 lakh. Then for next year, this is we have to calculate the amount of debentures in 5 years as it is given the question. The debentures are redeemable in given the question as the debentures are redeemed at par in 3 equal installments at the end of 3rd, 4th and 5th year. So there will be 5 years. We have to calculate the value of debentures and all other things for 5 years. So this amount, balance carried down amount, will be brought down for the next year. Date will be, the opening date will be 2013 January 1st. Then balance brought down 3 lakh. Then here in this year there will be no other adjustments. So this whole amount will be carried down to the next year. So this balancing amount date will be 2013's balancing amount date will be 2013 31st December. Amount 3 lakh. Then this 3 lakh is carried down to the brought down to the next year, that is 2014 January 1st. Balance brought down 3 lakh. Here it is given the question as the debentures are redeemed at par in 3 equal installments, 3rd, 4th and 5th year. So the actual value of debentures is 3 lakh. Then if we have to pay back the 3 lakh amount in equal installments, then 3 lakh divided by 3 will be 1 lakh. 1 lakh will be paid back in each year starting from the 3rd, 4th and 5th year. So 2014 December 31, the amount to be paid back, bank account 1 lakh. Then the balancing amount, that is the credit side is greater, so credit side minus debit side, balance carried out. The date will be same, 2 lakh. Then this amount is brought down to the next year. So date will be 2015 January 1, brought down 2 lakh amount. Then again, as in the earlier year, 2015 December 31, paid back the next installment of debentures, bank account 1 lakh. Then balance carried on 1 lakh, then it is brought down next year 1 lakh. Then this 1 lakh amount is paid back. Then we have to next draw the debenture interest account. We have drawn the format of the account. Then debenture interest is to be paid on the year ending. So the date will be 2012 31st December. Debenture interest will be paid through bank. So bank, the interest, it is 14%. It is 14% debentures. So 14%. The actual value of debentures on the on 2012 is 3 lakh. So 3 lakh into 14 by 100, 42,000. Then this amount, the balance side will be, or this amount will be transferred to statement of profit and loss in the same date. No other things to show. Then next year, again 2013 December 1, bank 42,000. Here the debenture interest is to be calculated on the brought down amounts. So for 3 years, the interest on debentures will be 42,000 as it is calculated on 3 lakh. Then on the 4th year, the amount is 28,000. Why is it 28,000? Because it is calculated on the brought down amount 2 lakh. So 2 lakh into 14 by 100. Then for the next year, 1 lakh into 14 by 100. Amount will be 28,000 and 14,000 respectively. Then we have to prepare the discount on issue of debentures account. So we have to calculate the discount value first of all. So we have to make a working note. Then we have to first write the outstanding debenture outstanding amount beginning of 12th 2012, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Outstanding amount will be, first year will be the actual value of debentures, that is 3 lakh, then 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh. Outstanding amount means the amount to be paid off, due to be paid off, then 2 lakh, 1 lakh. So the discount issue of debentures is to be written off in the ratio on the amount of debentures outstanding in the beginning of each year. The ratio will be 3:3:3:2:1. That is, we are deleting all zeros. So the remaining will be like this. So on the 2012 discount will be 15,000. 15,000 is the full discount value of debentures. That is, we have already calculated. Then this is the return of value, 15,000 into ratio will be 3 by total of all these ratios, that is 12. So the amount will be 3,750. Then next year 15,000 into ratio is 3 by 12, 3,750. For next year also same amount. Then 2050 ratio is 2. So 2 by 12. For next year 1 by 12. Then we have to prepare the discount on issue of debenture account. We have drawn the format. Then for the on the debit side, 2012 January 1, the full amount of discount on debentures, that is brought down, that is 15,000. Then the return of value of discount on issue of debentures to be transferred to the statement of profit and loss, 2012 December 31, we have calculated, that is 3,750. Then debit side minus credit side will be the balance amount carried down, that is 11,250. Then this is the brought down 11,250. Then for the next year we have already calculated the written down value 3,750. Then again balance carried down, debit minus credit side. Then it is brought down. Then again the value 3,750. Then brought down. Then here 2015 the value of to be written down we have calculated 2,500. Then 2,500 balance carried down 1,250, debit minus credit side. Then carried down values brought down. Then here nothing to be carried down, so statement of profit and loss account only. That's all for today. Thank you.